We're asked to determine the surface area of the box, where a box can also be called a right rectangular prism. Notice how the box has a length of 12 centimeters, a width of 6 centimeters, and a height of 8 centimeters. The surface area of the right rectangular prism is equal to the sum of the area of the 6 faces. Let's look at the formula and see why this formula makes sense. We have the surface area is equal to 2 times the length times the width, plus 2 times the height times the width, plus 2 times the height times the length. Well, notice how the length times the width would give us the area of the bottom face, but because the top face also has the same dimensions, 2 times the length times the width gives us the area of the top and the bottom. Then we have plus 2 times the height times the width. Notice the height times the width would give us the area of this right face, but the face on the left would also have the same area. So 2 times the height times the width gives us the area of the right face and the left face. And then finally we have 2 times the height times the length. We'll notice how height times length will give us the area of the front face, but the back face also has the same dimensions. So 2 times the height times the length gives us the area of the front face and the back face. Notice how we can also express the surface area formula in factored form by factoring out the common factor of 2. But let's go ahead and find the surface area using this form of the formula. So for our box, or right rectangular prism, the surface area is equal to 2 times, again, length times width, which would be 12 centimeters times 6 centimeters. We'll leave the units off temporarily, so we have 2 times 12 times 6 plus 2 times the height times the width, where the height is 8 centimeters and the width is 6 centimeters. So we have 2 times 8 times 6 plus 2 times the height times the length, which would be 2 times 8 centimeters times 12 centimeters, or just 8 times 12. Simplifying, we multiply before adding. So the surface area is equal to 2 times 12 times 6 equals 144, plus 2 times 8 times 6 equals 96, plus 2 times 8 times 12 equals 192. And 144 plus 96 plus 192 equals 432. And because each length is given in centimeters, the surface area is 432 square centimeters. I hope you found this helpful.